Transferring a call in Follow Up Boss is super easy. It's basically as easy as making a call. I'm here in blur mode, but you would click on the phone number to call the person. Then you would select, if you have this option on, what number you'd like to call them from. You may not have this option on. It'll just call them from your direct Follow Up Boss number, but it's going to start the call. And as soon as the call starts,
Hello,
button
the
here,
person you are trying to
I've
reach
got the
is
ability
currently
to
unavailable.
transfer to
Please leave a
existing
message after the
inboxes,
beep.
existing users, or you can also just type in any of the people here as well. So if you're looking to transfer it quickly, you can do this. The other cool thing is you can transfer the live call to a team inbox, which means it'll ring out to multiple people. So, but doing a live transfer is super easy. During the call, you've just simply got an option here to transfer, and that is going to drop down the people that you can transfer the call. When you do this, it actually kind of works like a two-way call, like a caller ID type of thing. You've got each person on the other line, and then you essentially merge the calls. It's super easy to do, but just wanted to demonstrate. You actually make the call, whether you're on the call talking to the person, you can say, hey, let me loop so-and-so in. And when you do that, you'll first be connected to the agent. You can say, hey, I've got Marie on the other line, going to connect you guys. They're looking for this, that, and the other. But real simple to do. So in the call itself, you've got a transfer button. You have to make a call first. You've got a transfer button, and then you can transfer either to an inbox or a specific user.